Hello everyone, it's Alfredo2743 here. I got this graphics card here, and yeah, we're gonna put it in my computer right here. This really dusty old computer that I made. The case is dusty and old, so we got this Amazon thing that the people put in here for pricing it. I was at a thrift store, used, and I think it's used at least. See, graphics card. It's the drivers. It's the card itself. I'll get it out of the plastic and everything. Yeah, it came with these thingies. I don't know what they are. I think they're for like here, but I think that's what this is. So yeah, I'll put it in the computer now, and one sec, I'll just get the computer all set up and everything. I got it plugged into the VGA part here, not the one on the motherboard. So yeah, it works. It's loading right now. So Windows 10, my gaming mouse and crusty old keyboard. I have see, look, it's Charli D'Amelio and Donald Trump. Yeah. So yeah, I'll get logged in and we'll download the drivers. I got the card in right here, and so there's VGA, DVI, and HDMI. That's what it says on the box, so I know I'm not wrong. I know what HDMI and VGA looks like. So this is the person's name and stuff. So it says it's this. I don't know if this is right, but on the box it says that stuff. But it says EAH, not HD. On the picture it has everything. So like all the same, like VGA, HDMI, and DVI. So yeah, we'll get the computer plugged in and turned on. So yeah, I got it plugged into the VGA part here, not the one on the motherboard. So yeah, it works. It's loading right now. So Windows 10, my gaming mouse and crusty old keyboard. I have see, look, it's Charli D'Amelio and Donald Trump. Yeah. So yeah, I'll get logged in and we'll download the drivers. So yeah, it's and got the graphics going. It changed the resolution by itself. Something really weird. It was weird. So yeah, I'm just gonna next. Accept. Yeah, I don't know how to like make speed videos, so I am going to do this next. This is the same computer as like this, the same computer I did the Via Voice Gold video on. It had a whole bunch of bugs, but they just disappeared after I installed Via Voice Gold the second time. Because I had it installed before. I don't know if the really annoying disk drive is spinning. You can hear it, but it's really loud. I'll put really close. Yeah. So this is the thing. I got some more other software to make more videos on, basically. I wonder if I can. I'm gonna check some other papers that I have to see if I can do something. I will catch you later. So it's finished. One sec. Okay. It says there's warnings occurred during the installation. Internet Explorer is gone. I don't know. Finals. Oh, this is what's gone. AMD Gaming Evolved app. HDMI audio driver. Success. So just the Gaming Evolved app is gone. So that's fine. I'm fine with that. I don't care about Gaming Evolved. Let's finish. Action was taken by Catalyst. Would you like to reboot? Oh yeah, sure, whatever, I don't care. I'll get it when it's done rebooting. So yeah, this is the Sim, not the Sims, sorry, they have the Sims Medieval right there. So this is the graphics card, what it looks like. It looks a bit better than before, I guess. Always Steam and that. I wonder if I can record. At least I don't have any recording software, so I'll just use the... I will open Chessmaster 9000 to see if it will record. I'll get back to you when it's done opening, or done, yeah, whatever opening. Okay, it doesn't meet the hardware requirements for recording, so yeah, I guess I'll have to use my camera for recording videos on my computer. So if I touch the heatsink on here, it's pretty hot, but like not that hot. So yeah, I guess this is the graphics card, my new graphics card. Really happy now. Oh yes, this monitor and the graphics card came from the same place. This store. Some kind of thrift store. They just take donations, and yeah, it's a thrift store, I guess. But yeah, they don't. No one gets paid there. It's like a volunteer place. So yeah, this is the graphics card. Yeah, it has 1 GB of DDR3 RAM. So yeah, this is goodbye. Yeah, night, sleeping.